Hi guys, this video I'm going to show you can you block someone in a Facebook Messenger group? You are in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook Messenger application. Then go to Chat tab. In the page you can see all of the group or chat conversation listed there. Find the exit group, simply tap on their name to open them. After the group is open, look at the top right corner, click on the I info button. Then you can open the group settings. Once you are in here, scroll down a little, you can see various options there. At the very top, find the see chat member option, click on that. You can see all of the chat person listed there. Find the exact person if you want to block them. Simply tap on the three dot button next to their name. After that, you can see three different options. Choose the block option, then confirm by tapping block again and wait to complete the process. And that's it. You have successfully blocked. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I hope you found this guide will help you.